In this video, I'm going to show you how to get iOS widget on any Xiaomi Redmi phone. Open the Play Store, install this application, tap on Open, allow the permissions, tap on Continue, go in Widgets. Here you get the multiple widgets. For example, I am selecting this one. Tap on Allow, tap on Add Widget, tap on Allow again, tap on Got It, go in Other Permissions, tap on Home Screen Shortcuts, tap on Always Allow. Now go back. Now let's check it out. As you can see, widget is here. Simply tap on it and drag it to home screen. So this is how you can get iOS widget on any Xiaomi Redmi phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.